What's up everyone? As promised, I have another installment for you guys today, so let's check it out. So the product I bought today is a shift boot holder. I bought this from Evasive Motorsport. Let's go ahead and open it up and check it out what's inside. So inside the box you got the product itself, some keychain and sticker from acuity. That's pretty cool. So it's really nice of them to include that. But the real thing we want to check is this right here. I didn't realize how much free stuff they give you. They even give you a free car set. This is pretty dope. I'm not gonna lie. That's pretty cool. I wonder what the scent's gonna be like, but I'll open that for another day. Some look like car sticker right here. Two different kinds. Look like this is like reflective material, so that's pretty cool. And then just regular, black one. And then some OG EK sticker. That's pretty cool. Got two of them. And then keychain. That's so they give you quite a bit of free stuff for just purchasing this product. So thank you, Acuity. So this is the part number for the S2K 1924 K2, or you can just go on Evasive Motorsport and filter it out for the S2000, and this should pop up. And they have different color for it too. So, but this is the color I went for, just regular metal color. Nothing too crazy. So let's open it up. Of course, more sticker. And then here's what it looks like. Gave you a couple of zip ties. Put that aside. And then the actual product. Not too bad. Let's take it out. These got a good, decent weight to it. And different attachment for it. There you go. So this is the main reason why I decided to get the shift boot collar, because as you can see, there's a lot of play, it's a lot of slack, and so I want something to kind of hold this flush to the shift knob, and it's more tight, and that way dust can't get in, because right now, as you can see, there's a lot of opening for dust to get in there. But before I install the shift boot collar, I'm going to take this off, clean this up a little bit, kind of recondition this leather, and then I will install the shift boot collar, and we'll see how it looks. So I got the center console removed. I'm gonna go ahead and take the shift boot out, clean a little bit. It is quite dirty, and then once I finish cleaning it, put it back, and then we'll install the Acuity shift collar.
What up? This is Duck Goose wife. This him.
You on the video. Keep playing. Okay, so I got the shift boot all nice and clean now. Go ahead and install the shift boot collar and put it back in the car. So the shift boot collar has two sides. There's a taper side and then there's a flat side. Depending on your shift knob, you can have like flat, right? Or you can have it more taper, which I think this will look better and look more flush. So I'm gonna go with the taper side, so make sure when you install it, the taper side is facing up. So the shift boot collar is pretty tight. I didn't really need to use a zip tie. It's pretty snug in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in the car, and then we'll see how it turns out. Okay, so I got the shift boot back on. I'm not gonna tighten it down yet. We still got the locking nut that we need to put back. So let me screw this. Okay, put the shift knob back. Okay. Okay, so here's the finished installation. This is what it looked like. If you ever want to release, push it down, take out the locking nut, then you should be able to take off your shift knob. And then when you're ready to put it back, you just push it up. It'll lock it in, have a really nice sound to it, nice click to it, and then it should be good. There is a decent weight down here. It feels really good. It feels really firm. So, other than that, can't complain. It looks good. So this really took away a lot of that gap or play that I had previously, and it really makes it flush and nice now. So this is really nice addition. If you ever have an instant where your shift boot have a lot of play or a lot of opening or gap, the shift boot collar will help kind of fill in that void and make your shift boot and shift knob a lot cleaner. Cool. I hope that's a short one. Pretty simple installation. There were no instruction in the product, but I mean, it wasn't too hard. They do have video on their YouTube channel that will show you how to install it, so you can just watch it there. But overall, pretty good. Highly recommend it. Again, if you have an instant where your shift boot have a lot of gap opening and you need to fill in that, having a shift boot collar will kind of help in fill in that void. So that's it.